Tired of opening your lunch bag to find a leaky container or a crushed sandwich? 2026 is the year of smart, sustainable, and seriously durable food storage. Today, I'm cutting through the noise to reveal the top 5 lunchboxes that have been rigorously tested for insulation, durability, and style. From eco-friendly marvels to tech-savvy smart boxes, but first, all products and links to buy are in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more top-tier gear. Number 1. YETI Daytrip Lunchbox. The YETI Daytrip Lunchbox won us over with its durable and easy-to-clean waterproof material, excellent temperature control, and leak-proof storage. It has a rigid frame that is easy to pack and was one of only 3 lunch bags with a waterproof liner. In testing, it held cool and hot temperatures better than most in our fleet, with only the PackIt Freezable topping the YETI's performance. We found it easy to pack, and food was protected from getting crushed in transport. The lid has a magnetic closure and a sturdy, large zipper. This bag is made of durable materials and is robust enough to stand on its own when you carry it with one of the 3 handles on the outside. We tested all the limitations and packed it full of food to take on the go. Even though the YETI is largely leak-proof, we found a bit of leakage at the zipper, which is its weak point. We also noted that the rigid design, which we like for easy packing, cleaning, and protecting food from getting crushed, made the bag a little bulky compared to the softer designs that can squish down smaller depending on what's inside, thus sliding into packs easier. The YETI Daytrip is an excellent option for people who want good temperature regulation and need a durable, protective cooler for their lunch. If you want temperature control at a more affordable price, we also like the PackIt Freezable Classic. Number 2. PackIt Freezable Classic. The PackIt Freezable Classic is insulated with a refreezable gel inside the walls of the bag. The bag is the ice pack. You can pop this in your freezer overnight and have a lunchbox that will keep your food cold all day. It kept yogurt at a steady temperature, within 2 degrees of the refrigerated temperature, for the 6-hour testing period. The fabric and construction of the bag are soft, and the profile is sleek. While the PackIt is fantastic at keeping a cold and stable temperature and is easy to wipe clean, the zipper and liner of the bag are not leak-proof. When water was placed in the bag, it quickly soaked through the liner and outer fabric. The heavy reusable insulation made the bag slouchy and tricky to pack. The PackIt Freezable lunch bag is an excellent option for those concerned about food-safe temperatures and who need to keep their food cold all day. The entire lunchbox collapses flat for compact storage in the freezer. Freeze the lunchbox overnight, 12 hours, and by morning, the walls of the bag will be completely frozen and ready to cool items for hours. Ideal for packing fresh, healthy foods, fruits, vegetables, cheese, and more. It's perfect for people with special diets, food sensitivities, or allergies. This lunchbox is made from non-toxic poly canvas and has a food-safe, water-resistant lining. Like all PackIt products, the classic lunchbox is made from PVC-, BPA-, phthalate-, formaldehyde and lead-free materials. Number 3. LOKASS Insulated Lunch Tote. The LOKASS Insulated Lunch Tote is an attractive, large-capacity insulated tote. It held the most food, 8 cans of sparkling water, and a mesh pouch on the side that fit a pint jar with a smoothie. The zipper pouch on the front was also the most spacious additional pocket in the test fleet. The LOKASS is durable and offers a great carrying capacity. The drawback is that a bigger bag needs more ice packs to keep it cool. It also didn't perform as well in our tests as the competition. It is not the easiest to wipe clean because of its depth, and the liner is not waterproof. Be sure to secure any liquids before storing them for the day. Overall, we feel this model is best for transporting a bunch of food prep to the office refrigerator. The dual zipper top fully opens, allowing you to place and remove containers horizontally without hassle. The wide opening prevents spills, making it easier to organize and clean your meals. Designed with a seamless hot-pressed lining, this insulated lunchbox prevents leaks, even if liquids spill inside. The water-resistant nylon fabric on the exterior protects against dirt, moisture, and light rain, keeping your food safe and fresh. Built to last, this lunchbox for women has been tested to withstand over 5,000 load shaking cycles with 22 pounds, 10 kilograms, of weight. Featuring reinforced linen handles and heavy-duty stitching, it offers easy carrying for work, picnics, travel, and outdoor activities. Number 4. BALORAY Lunch Tote. The BALORAY Lunch Tote is an attractive lunch tote lined with food-grade aluminum foil and comes in various colors and patterns. It has a unique shape that is eye-catching and simple. With an ice pack, the BALORAY stayed in the middle of the pack in temperature testing. It is a decent size and fits a 6-pack of sparkling water cans. The BALORAY is an impressive-looking accessory to tote your lunch to work. However, the liner is not leak-proof. Despite the product description claiming otherwise, water leaked right through the liner and the canvas exterior during testing. Those who prefer style over a leak-proof design will find this model a cute tote for carrying their lunch to the office or school. If you don't mind going for a lunchbox-style container, our top-rated YETI Daytrip lunchbox is worth considering if having a leak-proof container is essential. This cute lunch bags for women is super lightweight, easy to carry. Made of durable padded handle which ensure long-time uses. Large front pocket design is very convenient for you to put your bus cards, keys, phone, and other small items. BALORAY lunchbox for 5 years old and up is designed with triple insulated to keep food stay cooler/warm/fresh for several hours. You can prepare full meals and enjoy healthy food anywhere you go. If you are not 100% satisfied with our woman lunch bag, we offer you 30 days refund or replacement. 24/7 available for you by email. Number 5. Fit and Fresh Insulated Kit. The Fit and Fresh Insulated Kit is a great lunch kit if you are looking for a matching set. This kit has a water bottle and 2 food containers that click together and stack. This bag has a large capacity for whatever nourishment you may need to carry around. We like the Fit and Fresh set as a complete lunch kit, but it fell short on the leak-proof test as it leaked through the liner and canvas exterior. The temperature regulation was the worst among those we tested, probably due to the lack of zip closure. The closure on this bag is a strap with a snap button. This is a good choice for someone looking to buy a convenient lunch kit with all the necessities to pack a daily lunch. For those looking for a tote-style bag with better insulation characteristics, take another peep at the LOKASS Insulated Lunch Tote. Ensure your food stays hot or cold on the go, whether you're traveling, camping, picnicking, at the beach, or hitting the gym. Our leak-proof insulated lunchbox for women lets you enjoy homemade meals anywhere. Our stylish insulated lunch tote bags are designed by women, making them the perfect gift for moms, sisters, friends, and co-workers. Located in Providence, Rhode Island, Fit and Fresh embodies a blend of fashion and functionality. And that wraps up our top 5 list for 2026. Remember, the best lunchbox is the one that fits your lifestyle, but our number 1 pick is a game changer. Did your favorite make the cut? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, share this with a friend who needs a lunch upgrade, and subscribe for more reviews.